I work as a chief engineer at a plant for the production of medicines, cosmetics and dietary supplements. Dietary supplements, in Voronezh. We use various pharmaceutical equipment that meets the requirements and standards of GMP for the production of our products. 2 months ago we decided to master the production of new products. Herbal throat medicine. We bought equipment for the production of the drug, organized the bottling and capping area, and began the procedure of obtaining the necessary documents for product certification. In pharmaceutical production, it is important to control the quality of raw materials and finished medicines. Our company conducts a number of pilot tests, research with various laboratory equipment before launching the drug. For this purpose, it is necessary to provide experimental solutions. We are faced with the necessity of dosing our drug into 200 milliliters vials to provide it for research. We had a dosing machine, but it only dosed liquids in bottles of 5 liters or more. We decided to buy automatic equipment for dispensing liquids into 200 milliliters bottles. The first thing I did was to contact the supplier of our liquid dispensing equipment. The quality and performance of our dispenser suited us, so we decided to consider this manufacturer. I found out the phone number of the company in the sales department and contacted the manager. The specialist who spoke to me said that this equipment was discontinued last year and offered another option. I carefully studied the proposed device, but it turned out that it has an error of dosing 0.3 milliliters for vials with a small volume is an unacceptable error. We didn't want to take any chances, so I looked for another option. I was looking for a machine that was as effective as possible, safe for the employee, made of durable material, with automatic dosing, to eliminate the influence of human error. The machine had to be compact in overall dimensions, and easy to operate. And so I started my search for a liquid dosing machine, with a feeling of confidence that I'd find the necessary equipment at once. I decided to look and compare manufacturers of machines in Europe and China. I searched through the internet. I chose by location, terms of delivery, price range. Among the quality European manufacturers, I found 3 companies, which offered good machines, but requested a very high price, which did not include the customs clearance procedure. I understood that the management would not approve the chosen options, because of the high cost, and would send me to search again. Then I searched for a liquid dispensing machine from Chinese manufacturers. There were more options here. I sent them emails indicating which machine I was considering as an option to 5 equipment companies in China. However, only 2 responded to me. One company indicated that such equipment would not be produced until 5 months, and the other sent a response in Chinese. The period of 5 months didn't satisfy me. It was too long, and none of our people speak Chinese. I didn't want to spend time and money on a translator, so it was decided not to buy a car from a Chinese manufacturer. I realized that I could not solve the problem of purchasing automatic equipment for dosing liquids by myself, and decided to turn to an intermediary specialist. I had an idea what kind of machine I needed, so I only paid attention to the reliability of the company. On the internet I chose several intermediaries, 1 from China, 2 managers from Russia. I made my choice by looking at the company's websites, the length of their work in the market for supplying pharmaceutical equipment, positive customer feedback, and the relevance of their prices were of great importance. At first I called the Chinese intermediary. His presented price for the machine was lower than the others. I received a response from the manager, who specified that the price did not include customs clearance, delivery and installation of equipment. The total amount for the machine was much more than presented on the site. I was not satisfied. Then I studied the Russian company's website more closely. I looked at the prices and the terms of delivery, but I was alerted to the fact that this company also supplies shoes and crockery from China. I wanted to find a specialist in whom I was confident, who would deliver to me automatic dispensing equipment in the specified time. I decided to look at the last option among Russian intermediaries. In advance, I checked the company in the database of entrepreneurs in Russia for litigation for the period of activity. This company did not appear in these lists. I liked the company's website, modern, structured, lots of videos. I called the manager and got a good consultation about the equipment I wanted. The specialist told me about the features of the machine, sent me a video clip by email, and shared the experience of previous customers. I liked his businesslike and professional approach. I was satisfied with the delivery terms and price, and a week later, we made a contract for delivery of automatic equipment for dispensing liquids. Before sending the equipment, the manager emailed me a video of the machine, where I could see the machine in action. The machine is high-tech. The process is regulated by the display. Bottles are dosed all through the conveyor, which is used for remote transfer and automatic feeding of products in technological lines. The product feed speed is controlled by a frequency converter. There is an emergency stop button on the control panel. Dosing of the product is carried out by means of 6 dispensers, the height of which is regulated by special pneumatic pumps. The working area of the equipment is covered with transparent plastic shields. The machine was delivered on schedule. It was compact, economical, and easy to operate. We were satisfied with the automatic liquid handling equipment recommended and supplied by the manager of this company. I realized that I made the right choice of a specialist to supply the equipment. It was a pleasure to talk to a professional who knew his business. The choice of equipment was not so easy. I had a hard way. There were obstacles and failures, but I was lucky. I met a specialist who solved my problems, gave competent advice, and left positive emotions from communication.